Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Thursday, July 6th. Time is around 6:40 GMT and we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Oanda platform. So if you have seen my weekend analysis, I told you that I'm expecting a pullback in the DAX in the higher time frame, the weekly, the daily. And this means that this pullback has to start at some point. So every high you or every new high you make can be your last high, and so this can also be the case here actually. So we are now looking at the 4-hour chart, and so from this wave 4 low I see 5 waves up here, 1 2 3 4 5 that end with divergence. So the complete cycle or yeah the cycle in the higher time frame, I would say, which is then this cycle here, could be over here. If you want to have more details on this, please have a look at my weekend analysis. However, as we are still, as the DAX is bullish overall, it is I cannot make the bearish scenario now my primary scenario. I have to wait till we have some kind of bearish sequence. Until now, we still have a bullish sequence making higher highs, higher lows. So that's why I expect a bit more upside here actually to finish this wave 5, but the pullback might be near. The reason that I also think that we might see a bit more upside is that we took out this RSI here, this RSI divergence, and therefore this looks like the start of a new cycle from here. So that this is one, that this is now a 2, and that we will do a 3, a 4, and a 5 to end this cycle. But keep in mind, it can be over here, and the pullback might start from here. And if we look at the 1 hour, this is what we now have on the 1 hour. So my take on the DAX was that from this wave 4 low, we did a wave 1 to the upside in 5 waves, 1 2 3 4 5. Then a wave 2 pullback to correct this wave 1, A, B, C structure down. And so if this is our 1, if this is our 2, then we already know the target for our wave 3, which should be which you can find by taking the length of wave 1, the length of wave 2, and then the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension is the target for your wave 3. Now we should go there in 5 waves, so only look at the green annotations for now. I will explain in a minute the red annotations. So we should go there in 5 waves up, and so this is what is currently going on. If we are right, or if we are still right about the bullish scenario. So then I think we had a wave 1 here to the upside. We are now doing a wave 2 to the downside. And now we would need a 3, a 4, and a 5 into this area. Now, sorry, let me hide this for a second. Yeah. So yeah, now we are having this pullback here. So first of all, we were long from here. I told you to already take some profit here and also here, because reaction to the downside could be expected, and this is exactly what happened from here. We touched it and now we went down. Then yesterday I told you there might be a long opportunity from this area. Closer look at this. So now we have the 15-minute chart here. So from here, so if we do a wave 2 to the downside, this should happen in an ABC. And I spotted the ABC here, like this was our wave A, this was our wave B. And then based on this wave B, I gave you an area for a wave C, which can be found by taking the length of wave A, the length of wave B, then the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension is the area from where we should expect a return. I also told you that so this is one area from where we should expect a return, but I also told you that the wave 2 pullback can actually be quite deep, and so a wave 2 retraces or should start to return from the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. So this is where we currently are. So at the moment, I was recording yesterday, we were already entering this area, but I told you not to touch it because it looked way too strong. We had this, so we did not had 5 waves down with divergence. So then later that day, we started to have divergence. So you might have bought here. However, as you can see, like we did not hold this level from here. There was a little reaction, but not enough. So this is not really a good sign for the bullish scenario. Of course, we have to wait. It's not like if we miss this box, if we do not start to go up again from this box, that does not mean that the trade setup is invalid. Like it happens very often that we extend as a wave C, so we can still turn around from here. So what we see now is actually divergence on the 1 hour here, so compared to this low, and we also see divergence here in the 15-minute. So for me, if I have to look at this internal and the internals of this wave C, I would say this is our 1, this is the 2, then this here was our 3, this was our 4, and now we are doing this this 5 here, and we end with divergence. So if you are not long yet, for me, like this looks like a long opportunity right now, because we are in the area of a wave 2. We have divergence. We also have 5 waves down in our wave C. So I might expect reaction from here. If you would have gone long here, you missed the low, I would say. And then what I would do is I would put my take profit to my price, and I would wait till you are stopped out. Like there should be some kind of reaction to the upside soon. Then you will exit the trade without a loss. And then what will happen then is you can always re-enter, because if we start to move up again from here, first we will go excuse me, we will have to do a wave 1, then a wave 2 down, and then you try to catch this wave 2. Then you also have a new invalidation level, which will be the low here. So this is how I would do it. But anyway, as I explained you yesterday, it was a clear setup, like against this, or no, sorry, against this or this no, against this low here. Um, yeah, we have to see, like, if we take out this low here, the setup is indeed invalidated, and then it looks like I will have to change my count to the bearish one. If we take out this low, there is still a bullish scenario possible. Like, then we would see, then it could be that we do something like yeah, something like a flat structure, so that our 4 was not in yet, but that the 4 will be in somewhere here. That we do this overshooting wave here, then come down again, and then from here up. But this is an uncommon structure. I don't like to take this uncommon structures as in my primary scenario. If we break this low, then it looks like we are turning, in the sense that we are making lower highs and lower lows. So then I would change my count to the bearish scenario. And yeah, this is, I mean, this is possible. I'm telling already for a long time that it could have been finished here. I'm expecting pullback in the higher time frame, so the high could be in here. And this is also the alternative count I gave you. Like, this could be a wave 1 to the downside in 5 waves, first impulse. So if this is our high, what we need to see then is a wave 1 to the downside. We have 5 waves here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We end with divergence. Okay, this could be our wave 1. Then we have a wave 2 to the upside. Actually, yeah, almost, yeah, a perfect ABC, in the sense that look what happens here. So this is our A, this is our B, and then this is our C. So from this low, the length of wave A, the length of wave B, and then we should react from the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIP extension. We touched it, and yeah, reaction to the downside. So this could be here, or the start of our wave 3 to the downside. And this means yeah, this means something very bearish, and this means that the pullback in the higher time frame has started. However, I would like to wait for a bit more data. First, we have to, so this is just, I'm sharing what could happen. We are not there yet. First, I would like to see that we take out this low. Then I also want to see a bit more data to see what's the structure of this here. But so this is something that could happen. This is now still my alternative count, but I share it with you because of the yeah, the higher time frame context. We are expecting a pullback there, so at one time this pullback should start in the lower time frame. But okay, for now, still the bullish scenario is the primary scenario. So then we have wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 to the downside. In order to make this wave 3, we need again 5 waves up. Then this looks like our wave 1. We now have a wave 2 pullback, but yeah, we it's time to turn around here. A turnaround might also happen. We have this divergence here in the 1 hour, also in the 15 minutes. So yeah, I would expect a turnaround from here. If the bullish scenario plays out. But like I told you, if it is the bearish one, if we have our high in there, then we can have something like this. So let's see what the market gives us today. If you want to go long here in this area, there is a clear setup in the sense that yeah, this is the invalidation of your setup. If we do not, no, I'm sorry, this, I would take this low as your invalidation. If this low does not hold, then we are in yeah, in a different scenario, in my opinion. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work so I can further grow this channel. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.